Did you know that a security guard making $28,000 a year took down executives stealing millions from sick children? Robert Kim worked nights at the Children's Cancer Research Foundation. During his rounds, he found papers left in a meeting room. What he saw shocked him. The charity's leaders were stealing donation money, $8.7 million over 4 years. Money meant for cancer research was buying them fancy cars and vacation homes. Robert faced a terrible choice. He could stay quiet and keep his job, or speak up and risk everything. The executives even threatened to frame him for theft if he talked. But Robert thought about the sick children who needed that research money. He secretly photographed all the evidence. Then he called the state attorney general. It wasn't easy. Robert worried about losing his job and supporting his family, but he knew it was right. 6 executives went to jail. $12 million went back to cancer research. And Robert, he became the foundation's new financial oversight director. Sometimes doing the right thing really does pay off.